What's going on? All right. So if you already seen the video prior to this video, maybe I'm wearing the same outfit because I'm filming the same day. 2 videos in one day, knock it off, you know, whatever. But today, already read by the title, we got Layla's Barkbox. So my brother already freaking opened this without my permission and gave Layla all her toys, but he put it back in here for the sake of the video. So let's get to it. She has a super chewer. So yeah, when you open the box, let's chew it, super chewer. So we have this, I don't know, maybe it's the emo thing, I don't know, but this is what you see when you open the box. Really? Come on guys, be my friend today. So yeah. So the first thing we have here, where is, I'm gonna just take everything out, I don't know. It's so slobbery off her. Okay, so this is Twisted Chitsus, fresh out of bags world tour. So this is hairy metal. Heavy, instead of heavy metal is hairy. So yeah, we got the John. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so she has this toy. I don't know what it is, but you can clearly see her hair. I don't know. They do away the it explains this. So I don't know what it is. Oh, it's bouncy. It squeaks. Then she has this. This is a microphone. Oh, it is a microphone. Oh, there's a treat in here. They put a treat in here. That's good for her. She likes these. And these are like really hard for her to chew anyway. But this is like all slobbery. I don't know if you can see my fingers, but they're wet. And then there is a hairy metal. What is this? Oh, here it is. This will explains everything. Ugh. But this is so cute. How it came out in the disc. But hairy metal. It says, we built this box for the dog who thinks heavy metal and hard rock sounds like their kind of toy. Sink your teeth into toys, treats, and chews that last long after the second encore. Have fun, dog. We'll see you in the much pit. Haha, that's cute. And it says, rock out with your dog. Take a picture and share with Super Chewer to show your rock star at home. But the back of it, it says, for dogs who go to 11. Rock with the Super Chewer Heavy Metal Collection. We have a hard head Barkbox. What am I? Can I speak? Ball. So that's this. And this is a squeaker rubber, and it has 10 millimeters wall of thickness. Yeah, just stop. This is a appetite for destruction mic. It's a treat dispenser, it's rubber, and then the strap is nylon. Then there was a crazy chain and the back end snacks drum, but I didn't get those, so I only got these 2. So I'll put this back. This is so cute. So she got Hog Wild pork and boar powered dog treats. So they already opened it. They gave it to her. Jesus, why is it so hard? These are so cute. They look like guitars. It's so stinking cute. Jesus. There you go. Then this one is School of Croc. So this is alligator and cod. Alligator and cod? Oh, ew. These smell like fish, straight fish, but these are also guitar. Ugh. That was not a pleasant smell. I didn't. This one smells like barbecue. Like this one's like a pleasant. I knew one of her toys fell. I mean her treats. So this is a 7-inch bacon flavored chill. Yeah. Then lastly, she has a Yum Solo drumstick. Lamb. It's purple. It's cute. But yeah, that concludes this month's box. We're in July, so this is July's box. I did last year. Look. I can talk, dog. I cannot. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do anything, share this video with all your friends and family. And dog lovers, hello. Get hooked onto freaking Barkbox. No, I don't have a code. Maybe I should, but I think I've had Barkbox for like a year because I've had Layla for like a year last month. So yeah. But anyway, if you like videos like this, comment below if you want to see more. Yeah. So I just filmed another video that's gonna go up today. Today is Thursday. I think the 17th or 18th. I don't know. I don't remember. But yeah, I'm like so burnt. But anyway, this concludes this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you are so intrigued that you get a box because it's actually really good. But since Layla's a lab, she likes to destroy everything she can possibly find. Almost died. But yeah, so make sure you guys are sharing my stuff on social media. My social media is in my intro, so if you haven't seen that, go all the way to the beginning. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I will be back and better than ever. So, toodles.